Hi, hello po. Magandang araw po sa inyo. Welcome back ulit po sa aking YouTube channel. So, ngayon pong araw, nandito po kami sa Tippermans. Tindahan po ng mga furniture, appliances.
Trapped inside the mind of a dreamer, who's inside of all the visions in my head. I've been tossing all my thoughts off the deep end, drowning out my fears with tears instead. I've been searching for a peace of mind. Why is certainty so hard to find? I feel like I've been wasting all my time.
Pupuan pa nga lang, oh. Dalawang 200 na, oh.
Feel like I'm 6
Baby.
feet underground. I've got
Say hi.
dreams
Hi.
on my gravestone, no flowers to be found. I keep screaming, shouting, this is my battleground. Though I'm trapped inside the mind of a dreamer, my fears can't hold me down.
Hindi ka naghahanap ng ano, eh. Nagmuran nyo, eh. Kaya hanap natin yung
Ask it of our heart's deepest feelings.
hinahanap ko yung low price.
Our forgotten wants and hopes, trapped inside the mind of a dreamer. No one may really ever know.
Ha?
Feel like I'm 6 feet underground, trapped inside a dream and falling through the clouds. I keep screaming, shouting, but no one hears the sound, 'cause I'm trapped inside the mind of a dreamer.
Plano yung malaki. Sectional naman to, eh.
Sometimes I compromise, sometimes I
Sectional.
tell a lie, but it's only to myself. Sometimes I make mistakes, regret choices that I've made. I never
Parang ganito yun, mama, eh.
cried for help.
Puro malaki, mataas siya.
Feel like I'm 6 feet underground,
Wala na.
trapped
Table.
inside a dream and falling through the clouds. I keep screaming, shouting, but no one hears the sound, 'cause I'm trapped inside the mind of a dreamer, dreaming.
$699. 700.
Trapped inside the mind of a dreamer, who's inside of all the visions in my head. I've been tossing all my thoughts off the deep end,
Thank you.
drowning out my fears with tears instead. I've been searching for a peace of mind. Why is certainty so hard to find? I feel like I've been wasting all my time. Everything I tell myself is a lie. Feel like I'm 6 feet underground. I've got dreams on my gravestone, no flowers to be found. I keep screaming, shouting, this is my
So nandito po kami ngayon, guys, kasi nagkakambas kami. Dahil po lilipat po kami ng bahay. Kailangan po namin ng mga spreads, washing machine, electric range. Electric range lang ang kailangan namin. So nandito kaming lahat. Kasama ko yung binang ko, nandito sila. Ayan. Si Papa at si Mama. Yan yung baby ko naman sa likod. Ayan oh. Missing PC. Baby, I said don't pull it out. Ayan yung misis ko. Ayan. Magkano yan?
4.
Dating 1,000. Yes.
Bib, ano kinuha natin?
Baka tinago na nila.
Wala na. Parang ganyan. Ganyan yun, di ba? Yung parang ganyan.
Oo.
Parang
So ngayon, kumuha na kami ng fridge. Nandito yung ano niya, yung resibo. Ayan. So medyo mahal yung fridge. Umabot ng 2,700. So yung 2,700 guys, meron na yon. May 2 years na warranty. Bid pa kami ng 2 years warranty niya. Baby, come here. Sobrang mahal talaga guys ang mga gamit dito sa sa Canada guys. So tumitingin pa kami ng ng sopa, kaya lang walang yung gusto namin na medyo mura siya pero wala na, nakuha na. So dito may mga sale siya. Katulad nito, gusto sana namin kunin. So itong dresser na to, gusto na namin kunin. Kaso baka hindi magkasya dun sa bahay. Yan ang problema, baka hindi magkasya. So naka-sale dito, maraming sale. Marami silang sale dito. Saka dala ko rin yung panukat ko kasi kailangan kong sukatin yung kukuhanin naming appliances. Mamaya kasi hindi magkasya doon sa pintuan. Katulad nung fridge na kinuha namin. Kasi siya yung French door. So hindi siya magkakasya. Kailangan tanggalin muna yung pintuan pag di-deliver. No, baby. So napakakulit itong anak ko. What? What? Ah, you hungry? Hungry daw siya. Sabi niya, Sabi nung anak ko kay, Are you hungry?
Yeah.
You hungry again? You hungry again? Baby?
Give me now. Give me that.
Give to your mama. Are you hungry? Ayun guys, gutom na kasi yung anak ko. Lalabas na kami. So balik na lang kami sa susunod. Tara, labas na muna tayo.
Ang hinto.
Basta lang. Ay, dati.
Kaya, dating 188, 694.
694.
Yeah, 694.
1,300.
Ano?
O pwede raw usapin yung mag-deliver. Tanggalin yung pintuan. Pag deliver doon, usapin ko yung mag-deliver na tanggalin nila yung pintuan para may pasok. Sila magkatanggal ng pintuan. So napakalawak nito guys na na to na tindahan. So yan lang po muna ngayon. Maraming salamat po sa panonood nyo sa aming video. Kita-kita po ulit tayo sa aking susunod na video. Maraming salamat po. Bye guys.